Hello, YouTubers, and welcome to another video by Happy Cow Solutions. Today, we are going to be looking at how I created my own AI buddy using OpenAI API and Python. So let's get to it and let's see how this is done. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to sign up for OpenAI. So you have to sign up to the OpenAI API. Just click on sign up, and then you're going to be redirected to putting your credentials. So you either sign in using an email address or you continue with Google. So on signing up, you'll be taken to your own profile, right? So you'll be taken to this page that shows getting started. You can basically go through all the documentation if you want to, or you could just take a tour of the playground, the assistants, and so on and so forth. If you look at the usage here, you would see that you've been giving $5. Okay, so basically for every new user you're giving the amount of $5 to start to play around, and it expires in 3 months. So if you open one in February, it's going to expire in May 2nd. So the way it's done is that, and we're going to look at pricing very shortly, is depending on the model you select, you are billed per 1,000 token. All right. And we're going to look at that. So let us move to the pricing before we continue. So in this pricing here, you can see the various models that are available. There's the GPT-4 Turbo, there's GPT-4, there's GPT-3.5 Turbo, and so on and so forth. For this video, we're going to be using this one, GPT-3.5 Turbo, okay? And as you can see here, it says 0.0010 dollar per 1k token, or 1.5 per 1k token. So basically tokens are like numbers of words, and according to OpenAI they say 1,000 token is equals to like 750 words. Okay, so that's what tokens all about. So now that we know that, we're going to jump into the portal and create API keys. So this is what is going to enable us to interact with OpenAI. All right, so I'm going to create a key and I'm going to call it AI PAL. So just because this is a test, obviously I'm going to delete this secret after this. So no security concerns here. But if you're using it for production, obviously you want to keep your secrets safe and away from others. So now we've copied this, and sure you copied this. And then before we proceed, something very important: you have to install OpenAI on your system, and you have to install it as an administrator. So here I did pip install OpenAI equals to 0.28. You don't have to put equals to 0.28 if you want to install the latest version. Here I wanted to install this particular version, so that's why I put 0.28. Okay, if you do not open it as an administrator, you're going to get this error that says fail to write executable. As you can see here, I just open it as a normal user and not an admin. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, let us go to Visual Studio Code, where we're going to write our Python script. Firstly, since we downloaded OpenAI, we want to import the OpenAI that we just downloaded. Import OpenAI, and then we put the API key that we just created. Obviously, in a production environment, you don't want to put your token to be visible in the same code that you're going to write. So you want to create stuff like, variables, environment variables, and stuff like that to use. But since this is basically just for everyone to get an understanding of how you can use OpenAI to create your own AI assistant or AI buddy, I'm just going to leave this here. And like I said, I'm going to delete this key after, so you won't be able to, use this key for any malicious reasons. So, not to waste our time, I'm going to just copy a code that I've written and kind of run us through that. Okay, let me just get the code and paste it here. So let us go. Control V. All right. So as you can see, first of all, creating the function and calling the model GPT 3.5 Turbo. This chat GPT request can be any name basically. Like you can even let me give this a different name. It's based on the function or the name that you call it. I can call this friend, chat GPT friend. I just have to put the same thing here. All right. So basically, after that, I created a message as required by the API, and then I'm calling the chat completion API. Basically, this chat completion API is currently depreciated with the latest version of OpenAI, and that was one of the reasons I used the 0.28. Okay, so just for you to note, in case you're getting an error saying that chat completion is depreciated or like is not compatible with your latest version, you can just up, downgrade to 0.28 or get the module that is compatible. So right now we have a code here that is trying to ask my friend, that's my AI friend, my AI assistant, who is the president of America. So I'm just going to save this in a terminal, new terminal, and I'm going to enter the directory where my AI py file is sitting on. So let's do that. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is to call my AI pal. Hey pal, who is the president of America? And it's trying to get information from wherever it's getting it from. Okay, from the directory or from the library. So he says, as of September 2021, the president of the United States is Joe Biden. Anyway, so now let's do something else. What I say I meet this nice looking gentleman and I want to give him a compliment, but I realized he doesn't speak English and he's from France, so obviously he speaks French. So now let me say something nice to my French guy. So I'm just going to say, hi, my name is Jesse, and I really like your look. Too forward, I know. But let's see how my friend or my AI pal will help me impress this French dude. Okay, so it's translating. Okay, salut, je m'appelle Jessie et je me ferme ton style. Oh my god, I just murdered that French. I'm very sorry to every French speaking person. It's not my first language. I'll try. Yeah, so basically, this is just a short video that kind of like shows us how to create your own AI assistant. You don't always have to use ChatGPT. You can create something that is personal to you, something you would enjoy using. So I hope you got a thing or two out of this, and you will be creating your own AI assistant soon or after this video. All right. So, do you need more AI tips and tricks? Well, Happy Cloud Solutions is just a click away. You can reach us through our website, you can call us on phone, or you can send us an email. All the details are showing on your screen. Lastly, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, follow. Just support us and let us keep on doing this. All right. Thank you.